Are you looking to start an online business and all you want to know is what are the top niches that I just need to get on? I mean, you have the capital or you have been saving for this and you need to just jump right into a niche that is really doing well and you can start making money in a short time. Then stay tuned, because in this video I'm going to share with you the top 3 niches that you can build your online business from and start making money online today. Hi, my name is Faith Kiru. I'm the founder and CEO of Digital Space Kenya. I help creatives, professionals, startups, small and new business owners craft a powerful digital brand strategy and build successful online businesses. In this video, I'm going to share with you the top 3 niches that you can build a successful online business from and start making money online today. Number 1, health niche. So health is a very broad niche, and the audience in this, or the customers in this niche, are usually very passionate about the kind of solutions that you're looking for. Okay, so the whole point of starting a business is so that you can solve a problem. The whole point of starting a business is so that you can address the pain points of your target audience or your customers. Okay, so then in the health niche, a lot of people are passionate. Like, for example, if you're going through a season of losing weight, or you'll be in a roller coaster. When you look at the trends, you find that someone that wants to lose weight, they're either they're doing some form of diet, they're doing they're having a gym subscription, they have like maybe almost 6 different products that they're consuming at the same time. So this is someone who is really passionate about the kind of health that they're looking to the kind of health that they're looking for, and if you're able to solve it and solve it right when they need it, then you're able to address. And this is the thing, this niche is crowded, okay, and that's a good thing, because a lot of people tend to want to go to the niches that are very very safe, no competition. I don't find that to scale so fast, because there's not a lot of people doing it. There are a lot of people not familiar with it. It's so fun. It's like the mindset. I feel like it's a psychological thing. When a niche is booming, a lot of people are there, and even the customers are there. And the good thing about it is, when you have a lot of people who are already doing something, when you come in as a new person, you can stand from an outsider perspective and gauge what is happening and what is not happening, and then tailor your services to become better. Okay, and I did a video on how to stand out from the crowd. Check the description box below, or the links, or just the suggested videos, and check that out. How do you stand out from the crowd? And that's exactly what you need to do here. You have a lot of businesses to emulate in the health industry, so the idea is you to figure out what is it that has not been served, or it has been served but I can serve it differently. So health niche is definitely a field that you want to get into, and the good thing about it is there's a lot of different ways to make money from it. You can either sell the product, you can either sell a service if you're a trained professional in regards to like the needs of the people that are either looking to lose weight, or that they have issues with health issues that they need to resolve. There are a lot of ways you can break down your service. Another thing is that you can make money from affiliate marketing, because there are a lot of people selling products. So if, for example, you come in as a content creator and you want to start making money online, and you get into the health niche, you can do videos around health and just educating people, because that's one of the things that people come online to do. That's why one of the reasons why people Google how to videos, educate people on the needs that they're looking for. Use keyword tools to figure out what are people looking for, then create content around that specific niche, and then use affiliate marketing. There are a lot of people selling products, there are a lot of people selling packaged services. Ask them, reach out to them and tell them, hey, I have an audience that will love your product and I'd like to get paid to promote your service. Anyone will be willing to get that's like free marketing. In return, they're paying you a percentage of the sales. Okay, so there's a very, very broad way that you can utilize the health niche. Do your research, but definitely that's a niche that you want to get into. Number 2 is wealth. Okay, every single person is I feel like it's just a mindset that we as human beings have. We want to get wealthy. We want to, yeah, healthy, of course. We want to get wealthy. We want to make more money. We want to figure out how we can live in freedom. We want to, if we have family, how can we spend, more time with our family? And that's why you see starting online businesses and making money online business has become such a big deal, because people are like, oh, if I can make money working from home and spend more time with my family, then I definitely want to get it. If I can reach financial freedom, the sooner the better. It's like we're craving just to be able to be in that space where we're in control of our finances. So this is definitely a niche to take advantage on. So there's things like making money online, things like affiliate marketing. That's still another way of creating wealth. There are things like e-commerce, okay, selling products online through Amazon, through eBay, through Shopify and all these products. So if you are able to teach people how to make money online, well, not necessarily online, okay, it doesn't have to be, but if you're just able to teach people how to generate wealth the easiest way possible without a lot of investment. You also need to know that a lot of people who are craving this idea of making money, they're either young or they probably maybe don't have a lot of money to invest, because if they had the money to invest, they'll probably not be looking for more ways to invest. They're probably already investing in other physical stuff like real estate and things like that. So you need to figure out that the audience in this category that are really craving wealth are usually either young people, or just people who don't have, they may not be really young, but they don't have the amount of that much money to be able to invest in other businesses. So as you come up with ways to teach them, to teach or to offer your services around wealth generation, then you need to package yourself to take care of their needs. The only disclaimer I have that I've seen a lot of people that I have issues with is taking advantage of people's emotional needs, okay? Like, hey, someone is craving, they feel like they want to build their online business. I've seen a lot of people saying, oh, I'm going to help you build an online business so that you can quit your job today. Why are you encouraging people to quit their jobs? And that is what is feeding them for now, okay? And then you're not guaranteeing them that whatever module or business or whatever you're going to teach them to create wealth is going to help them quit their business. I've seen a lot of people that go through literal poverty because they were told to get into some form of scheme and start making money, okay? So I really have a thin line with the wealth industry, because you don't want to just preach what you don't believe in, okay? You need to be able to base your things. If you're teaching people how to build an online business, you need to be teaching things that are practical, okay? And you don't need to call some claims like quit your job in 10 days. That's not going to happen. I mean, if it was that easy, a lot of people feel stuck in their jobs, which is sad, because these are the jobs that are really taking care of them. So there's also a very there's a vibe that I just don't like around the wealth niche, because of how people have taken advantage of it to just take advantage of other people. So don't be that person, okay? If you're gonna build your business around this, teaching people, you can even just teach people how to take better care of their finances, okay? But the idea here, most of these people are looking to make money, okay, not how to spend the money. So you need to find a way of providing the resources for them to generate wealth. But whatever it is, just figure out how you can take advantage of this as a niche without taking advantage of people and emotionally blackmailing and brainwashing people and making them become so discontent with the job opportunities that they already have, okay? Then the third niche is relationships. We're all relational beings. All of us want to feel love or be loved in one way or another. So when I talk about relationships, it's around the niche of family, couples, parenting. I've seen a lot of videos do well around parenting, because every single parent wants to give the best to their child, okay? So if you have resources that can be beneficial in this area, then that's something to help. And then even for the children, I realized maybe these kids have some issues that then maybe you're trained to help with. You can start creating content around them and selling your services one-on-one consulting to just help the parents. So relationship is also a very big area. Relationship also including how we relate with ourselves, how we relate with people. A lot of people struggle with self-esteem issues. So if you have like you have confidence mentality, and you can help people to really get out of their struggle with confidence, and you have a grounding on just to work with people in that area, then that's a niche to invest in. So definitely health, definitely wealth, definitely relationships. And why these niches are really important is because you realize the audience in these specific niches are usually very passionate about the solutions they're looking for. Like if it's relationship, if it's a parent looking to just maybe their relationship with the children is not working, or they need to figure out discipline and things like that, they're really passionate about it. If it's about marriage, and they're really passionate about making their marriages work. Okay, again, just the thin line for me is, don't emotionally blackmail people, don't brainwash people, don't start using the psychology of their needs to create more needs from them so that they can need for me. And this for me is directly related to people who are like prosperity preachers. Okay, don't just take the needs of people and take something that for example, prosperity preachers take small elements of scripture and literally butcher scripture and use that to get people to depend on them. Again, I know the people need to do their due diligence, but for you who has a platform, you need to also take the initial responsibility of not brainwashing people. So definitely these are 3 niches, and it doesn't mean that if you go into any other niche you're not going to make money. You will, but these are the niches that are out there. People already have the need. There are a lot of needs. So if you just narrow down to what you want. And something else is, if you're going to pick a niche that you're also interested in. Okay, like you can't just talk about health if this is something that doesn't motivate you at all. Trust me. For example, if you're going to create content, sitting down doing these videos takes time. It takes you emotionally. I mean, it's a lot of work. Like I'm constant. If I'm going to be recording these videos, for example, literally in the middle of the night. Okay, so you have to be passionate about it. I can't stay up to the middle of the night to record videos that I'm not passionate about. Okay, so if you're going to pick a niche, also pick a niche that you're passionate about, so that you can also try it for yourself and see how it works. You can push forward when things are not working. So ensure that you're very passionate about it, or if not very, but you have interest in this specific niche and you can push forward and build your business. Okay, so yeah, these are the top 3 niches that you can build your online business from and start making money online today. And as always, I have a free PDF download link in the description box below, or on our website www.digitalspacekenya.com. Head over there. This is going to help you craft your brand voice and brand messaging. So for example, if you already pick a niche, you have to define your voice, you have to define the messaging, and you have to identify your ideal client. And also I did a video on how to build a brand online and stand out from the crowd. It will be linked in the description box or in the video. So definitely just take your time, watch. There are a lot of good resources in regards to video on this channel that you can can give you a boost so that you get started. All right, until next time, be bold, be authentic, and build a magnetic brand. Bye.